Hi everyone, I am Anil Kumar, motivation speaker. Today I am going to talk about how to become a role model student at your college. Everyone needs to a role model, but what are all the skills and what are all the qualities is required to become a role model students at any colleges? First of all, if you would like to role model in any colleges, we should have unique qualities compared to others. We should have a supreme qualities to become a role model in any colleges. What are those qualities or skills are required? We, sh- we should always very good qualities, very good what you call positive qualities. The first quality is you should have positive attitude. We should A role model student should always a positive attitude. He should not communicate at any time negative attitude. He should be always positive. He should always stay positive in any situations. If he found any negative situations at college also, will be always positive. He should think always positive. A role model should always a punctuality about his classes. He should have very good time management skills. He will attend each and every classes, that too in timely. Means timely he has to attend the college in all classes. This is second quality. If he comes to third quality, he should always polite to the lecturers or teachers in the college. A role model student is always treat with their lecturers and professors politely. He should not bad comment on lecturers or professors at any situations. He should be always stay about the lecturers with positivity. A role model student should always a good leader. He should have a leader qualities at all the times. He should take a lead on any situations arise in the colleges. A role model student is always good at academics. A role model students will think about their academics, they think about their studies. They will be always good in all aspects, like students, they are very good with the students and they are very good with the college staffs. They are very good with lecturers and professors. A, lead, a role model student should always has a vision. He has a vision to success in his life. A role model student is always a nurture good qualities. Why we should always role model in any colleges means after completion of your LLB, you will be a role model in your field. You will be a role model in any kind of field which you will be going to take any designations, you will be a role model. If you nurture good qualities in the college, definitely, obviously, you will be a role model in future also. We are the future leaders. We should think always positive. We should not think about negative. No, for me it's not possible to become a leader. For me it's not become a role model students in any colleges. We should not think about ourselves negative. We should not underestimate ourselves. We should always think positively. Definitely I would like to become a good leader in the society. I would like to become a role model in any kind of field. This is the college. In college time you have a lot of time to nurture the good qualities. We should adopt very good qualities in the college. Then after completion of your LLB course, there need not to be any, like, you will be get habituated in the college itself. Means after completion of your LLB, you will be very confident person and you will be a very good leader in future also. So that is the reason we should always a role model in the colleges especially. We need to we need to give priority to our lecturers. We need to give priority to our professors so that we can gain very good knowledge from them. If we have the all qualities of role model, obviously the lecturers and the professors will like the role model students, because everyone has to be a role model in their life. They have to think like that. Then only will be a successful person in our life. We should always think about positive things. Don't underestimate yourself. Please remove your inferiority complex. We should always supreme think like we always supreme. We are studying legal student, legal. We are a legal students. We should always a leader. After completion of your LLB, everyone is leader in their life. So that those kind of leaders are required in our nation. Everyone should be a leader so that in their particular fields. In legal there are plenty of opportunity. After completion of your LLB, there will be a many opportunities wherever you can go. You have to nurture the good qualities in the college days itself. This is the basic foundation which you need to make in the colleges only. So that is the reason today I have spoken about how to become a role model student in your colleges. So this is very important. Maybe this is not much academically I'm speaking about, but these qualities are required for any kind of students. If you have these skills and these qualities, and apart from this, you should communicate very well. You have to improve your communication skills. You have to improve your, like, public speaking skills. If you have very good communication skills, everyone likes you. So that definitely will become a role model in your college. The good communication skills, the good public speaking skills, you will be academic also very good, and extracurricular activities also you will participate in a good manner, and any kind of activities will be a first person to choice of anything. So if you adopt these qualities and these skills in your life, student life, you will be a shine in your field. I will always stress you should always shine in your life. You should always shine in your field, because everyone has a vision, everyone has to grow in their life. No one is, like, inferiors, everyone is superiors only. If you are doing legal subjects, your studying legal subjects will be always supreme, and your life will also supreme. If you adopt these qualities, you will be a role model in your colleges. So thank you very much watching my video, and do subscribe my channel Anil Kumar Ketty, motivational speaker and LLP coach, so that you will get very good videos in future also. I hope my channel is very useful for all our KSLU LLB 3 years and 5 years LLB students. I hope you have given a very good feedback, and you have been motivated with your, like, comments and likes. Thank you very much once again. Thank you.